How to convert private Instagram account to professional Instagram account. This is what I will show you in this how-to video. So first open your Instagram application and then go to your profile. After coming into your profile, you can see 3 lines on the top right. Just tap it and go to the settings. After coming into settings, go to account. After coming to account, just scroll down and here you can see the option to switch account into a professional account. Just tap on it, then press continue, continue, continue and continue. Now select your profession or anything you want to select. Right now I'm selecting video creator. You will have an option to display it on profile. I don't want to display it on profile, so I'm not selecting it, but you can. After pressing OK, you will get this option and then again press OK. Now it will take some time. After that step, you will get these options. One is creator and other is business. I am just a creator, so I am selecting creator. But if you want to make your account business account, then you will have to select business option. But right now I am selecting creator option. Then press on next. And they will ask you for promotional emails. I like to turn it off, but it depends on your choice. Next. So now our account is officially converted into professional account. So these are some setup steps for your professional account. Right now I'm not doing any of them, but you can. So now our account is officially converted into professional account. So subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.